In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Lucky Orange on Shopify. By the end, you'll have Lucky Orange installed and know exactly where to find the insights that help you understand how shoppers move through your store. First, from your Shopify admin, head to the Apps section in the left sidebar and open the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Lucky Orange and choose the official app listing. You'll recognize it by the verified branding and clear description of features like session recordings, heat maps, and conversion funnels. Click Add App, then follow the on-screen prompts. Shopify will show you the permissions Lucky Orange needs so it can read store activity and connect to your storefront. Approve those permissions to complete the integration. As soon as the app is installed, Lucky Orange begins tracking visitors automatically, so you don't have to paste any code or tweak your theme. Next, log into your Lucky Orange account to access the dashboard. If this is your first time, the install flow may prompt you to sign in or confirm your store connection. Once you're in, you'll land on a clean dashboard that highlights real-time activity and key metrics. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the navigation. It'll make exploring faster. A great place to start is with the pre-built conversion funnels. These are automatically set up to map common journeys like viewing a product, adding it to the cart, and completing a purchase. Open a funnel and look at the drop-off between each step. This helps you see where customers lose momentum. Try adjusting the date range or filtering by device type to understand whether mobile shoppers behave differently from desktop visitors. Now explore session recordings. These are anonymized playbacks of real visits that reveal how people scroll, click, and navigate. Use filters to zero in on sessions from users who abandoned checkout or spent a long time on a product page. As you watch, note any confusing elements, slow loading sections, or spots where users hesitate or rage click. Finally, open heat maps for your key pages. Heat maps show collective behavior, where people click, how far they scroll, and which areas are ignored. Switch between device views to ensure your layout works across screens. If you see important content below the typical fold, consider moving it higher to increase visibility. That's it. You've installed Lucky Orange, it's tracking automatically, and you know how to use funnels, recordings, and heat maps to spot friction and improve conversions. Keep checking back in the dashboard to monitor changes as you optimize, and you'll quickly turn insights into measurable results.